So children, we are going to know about the poem, the geography lesson, okay, which is written by Zulfikar Ghosh. And in this poem, he has seen about the geography of the earth. He was looking at the earth, okay, the buildings are made, and so much he was thinking that there is a haphazard. It means he was thinking that there are some places there are a lot of buildings, and some places there are no buildings. So why this is so? I think the buildings are not properly made. Okay, but when he observed while moving into the aeroplane, he moved up in the sky. So he has seen the geography of the earth from there. What he has seen when he has just a very small height from the earth, he has found that there are a lot of buildings, and he was thinking that they are not up to the mark. When he reached up to somewhat higher height, then he saw that the buildings are made near the rivers, okay, from where the earth was appearing round to him, okay. And he was thinking now the geography is very much correct, because people are living near the sea or near the land where they can get plenty of food is available. So people are living there because our earth is covered by 70% of water, okay. So that's why the distribution is like this, where people are living near the water, and they need land and water. So they are making buildings according to that. And when there is no land or only water is there, there are no people living there. When is land is not fertile, land is not proper, again the people are not living there. So when he is on the height, he understood that why people are making buildings like that, okay. So when he was just at the ground, he was not understanding why people are living like this. So he was thinking that the geography of the earth is not perfect. But when he is moving up into the sky and looking from there, so he was thinking that it is perfect, okay. Plus, what he was thinking, that geography of the earth is perfect, but I don't understand why do people hate each other. It is not clear. It is clear from the height that people are living like this, okay, that they are making buildings near the sea or land, but it is not clear from the above that why do people hate each other. So this is the whole poem which poet want to make us understand. And he is asking the question from us, that why do people hate each other if we can live together in harmony. So what is the reason that we are hating each other, we are fighting with each other? So what lesson he wanted to teach us, that we should not hate with each other. If the geography of the earth is perfect, then we people should also be perfect. We should live in harmony. We should not fight with each other. We should live happily with each other. We should care for each other. We should share things with each other. So poet wanted to explain us that like earth, we should also live in harmony. That everything is perfect. That we man should also be perfect. We people should also be perfect. We should live happily on the ground. Okay, so now I'm going to read the poem for you. Can you imagine what your city would look like if you saw it from 10,000 feet above the ground? Neatly planned and perfect in proportion, like a geometric design. It would strike you as something very different from what it actually is while you are in the thick of it. When you will look your city above in from the ground, so you will see that it is neatly planned, it is well managed. Okay, so here is a poet's description of just such a view of the city and some questions that come to his mind. When the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard, unplanned, and without style when the jet sprang into the sky. So, when the poet is moving up into the sky, he was thinking that the city is not properly made. Okay, it is not properly designed. But when it moves up into the sky, so he can see that it is perfect. When the jet reached 10,000 feet, it was clear why the country had cities where the rivers ran, because people need water and they need water to grow crops. So they are living near the rivers. And why the valleys were populated, because there are a lot of forests, the lot of food is available to them, so they are living there. The logic of geography, the land and water attracted man, was clearly delineated. It is clearly shown that why people are living near the valleys or near the water. When the jet reached 10,000 feet. So, when the jet rose 6 miles high, it was clear that the earth was round. So, when he was reaching much higher, he can see that earth is round and it had more sea than land. All of you know that 70% of the earth is covered with water. So, the poet can also see from the above that land is mostly covered with water. But it was difficult to understand that the men on the earth found causes to hate each other, to build walls across cities, and to kill from that height. It was not clear why. Okay, we will continue with Tsunami Beta, that is a reading drill. Okay, so who has understood the poem? Can you explain what I have made you understood? Pratyaksh, you want to say? Speak up.
मैम वी हैव मैम हमें नोटबुक में नहीं करना
What you will do in notebook?
नाम ही चैप्टर
So, beta, we will do in notebook. First, we will understand, then we will do in notebook. Okay. So, who is going to explain, children? I have made you understood this poem right now. So, just raise your
मैम
hand.
तो वी हैव टू डू नाम ही चैप्टर इन नोटबुक और नोट
Beta, you are not audible to me. Speak clearly. So, what is in the poem? Can anyone discuss the summary of the poem? Raise your hands, children. Who want to discuss the summary of the poem? What we have understood by this poem? Who has understood? So, what is the name of the poem? What is the name of the poem? What is the name of the poem? Kindly raise your hands, children. You can write in chat even. What is the name of the poem? Yes, name of the poem is Geography Lesson. And name of the poet? Name of the poet? Name of the poet? Yes, Zulfikar Ghosh. And what the poet is not understanding from the height? What the poet is not understanding from the height? Yes, Pratyaksha. Speak up, beta. Pratyaksha, unmute yourself. Pratiksha, am I audible to you, beta? Yes. Anya, unmute yourself.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट द क्वेश्चन
What is poet not understanding from the height? What is poet not understanding from the height? Anshika, can you give me the answer? Anshika, unmute yourself and give me the answer what the poet is not understanding from height. I think the paragraph is visible to you, children. What is difficult for the poet to understand from the height? What he did not understand from the height. You know the answers, beta. I know you know the answers. The poet did not understand why the people, why the people. Now you can give the answer. Why the people dash each other. Now you can give the answer. Raise your hands. Come on, children. Yes, Pari Agarwal. Yes. Give answer.
The author was unable to understand that why the men on earth found causes to hate each other,
Very
to
good.
build wall across the cities and kill.
Very good. So why the people hate each other? This was not understood by the poet. What he understood from the above when he was in the sky, what he understood? Can anyone tell me what he understood from the height? Yes, what he understood from the height. Come on, children, you give answer. No problem if you are giving wrong answer. That is not a problem. I will rectify you, but I want answers from you people. Yes, it was pretty clear to him that the earth is round. And what else was clear to him? What else was clear to him? So many things were clear to him. Try, children. You can write in chat. Yes, the earth has more sea than land. I want everyone should give answer, whatever you have understood from the poem. It's a very easy poem, children, that the poet is understanding. Yes, one more reply. Okay, when the poet moved into the sky 10 miles away, 10,000 miles above, what he found? What he found? That the earth is densely populated. From where? Where? Where the earth was densely populated, where the people are living. The people were living dash and dash. Tell me, children, where the people were living. Only Pari is giving answer. What about other children? I want answer from everyone. I want answer from everyone. So when the Surbi, can you give answer? Beta, it is important for me to give answer. Whether you are giving wrong answer, none of the problem. It is no problem for me at all. If you will give wrong answer, I have no problem. I will rectify you. But I want answers from everyone so that I come to know that you have understood the poem. Surbi, can you reply? Whatever you understood, speak. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Surbi, you want to reply? You want to say something? Okay, fine, children.